Good afternoon. Here we are in Pakistan and we are discovering the living conditions of children here. Here we have children that work with corporations doing shoes and footballs. Let's take a look. Hello, good boy. What is your name? What are you doing here?
I'm actually boss for Nike.
How much do you get paid to do that?
25 cents an hour.
Wow. Can you imagine living in certain conditions getting paid 25 cents an hour? Hello, good boy. What are you doing here?
Making shoes for Reebok.
And how much do you get paid, sir?
25 cents an hour.
Wow. So, accordingly, these two children get paid 25 cents an hour. In America, 25 cents wouldn't even buy you a bag of chips.
What are you guys doing, huh?
Oh, no, nothing.
What do you want?
Nothing.
No,
We're just
get away.
kids. We're just
Get away. What are you guys doing?
We're just kids. No.
You want some too?
We're just kids. We're just kids.
What do you want, huh?
All right,
What do you want? What are you guys doing, huh? Why aren't you guys working? Get on the ground. Get on the ground. What? What are you guys doing, huh? You guys are supposed to be making me more money.
No, we're just
More
kids.
money for me.
kids. We're just
More
kids.
money. Shut up.
All right.
Here's your fucking money.
These are the conditions we are fighting with. Please call this number, 1-800-KID-CARE, for child labor activists.
Are you recording this? You want some too?
Oh, hell no.
You want some too?
Hell no.